නමෝ තස්ස භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස සුප්පබුද්ධං පබුද්ධන්ති සදා ගෝතම ශාවකා ඒසං දිවාච රත්ථෝච නිච්ඡං බුද්ධ ගතා සති. Dear faithful devotees, today I would like to explain about the method of developing the mind is called meditation. When a person contemplates on the noble qualities of the Buddha during both day and night, he sleeps well and wakes up well. Merits of kusal gained by wholesome deeds are helpful to all beings in the world. According to the Buddhist teaching, meritorious people live in comfort. Meditation is an easy method of acquiring merits. Some people think that meditation is a very difficult task, while others think that it is a way of escaping from the real life. But meditation is none of these. By practicing meditation methods introducing by the Buddha regularly and skillfully, one will gain peaceful and carefree life. The Buddha introduced different types of techniques to make culture samatha and vipassana or insight. Meditations are the two main techniques among them, while samatha meditations are two main techniques among them. While samatha meditation helps to calm the mind, vipassana gives to insight or the wisdom to understand things in their true nature. Samatha and vipassana meditation are the two main techniques among them. While samatha meditation helps to calm the mind, vipassana gives to the insight or the wisdom to understand things in the true nature. In samatha meditation, all the faculties and mental power are dictated towards one object. No one painted mind is concentrated and unfiled mind. This brings tranquility and calmness to the mind and stop wasting mind's useful energy. This calmness is necessary for meditator to develop insight. There are 40 different meditation subjects, kammatthana. These different methods used to calm mind. One need not to use all 40 subjects, but must select one which suits his or her temperament and mentality. Some of the kammatthana are recommended for particular characters, and one has detailed explanation of the system of mental training in general. According to the Buddhist meditation, we can help to conduct our day-to-day life very well. In other hand, it's help to build our life for the final goal and taking the supreme Nibbana. So today I explain about the Buddhist meditation according to the Buddhist Sutra Satipatthana like this. So Buddhist meditation help to the very calm life and very useful day-to-day life. So Buddhist meditation like compassion, loving kindness are the very great meditation methods. So Lord Buddha told us to conduct our day-to-day life and our life helpful for the meditation like the concentration and wisdom. So Samatha and Vipassana meditation help to very useful take courage and take a very calmful life for the life. So Buddha said our life like a day-to-day life and our after the previous life. So I explained today for you the meditation of what Buddha taught. May the Triple Gem bless you. Thank you.